Hi, this is Trillionaire Times YouTube channel, and in this video, I'm going to show you a simple method to make $100 to $500 every day with YouTube Shorts, without needing a ton of subscribers or views. I'll also be showing you real-life examples of channels that grew from 0 to over 1 million subscribers and started earning passive income, all by reposting viral content. If you're new here, I post about making money online and building an online business. So, if you want to learn more, make sure to subscribe. And let's get started. YouTube Shorts are like TikTok videos, vertical videos up to 60 seconds. These shorts are extremely popular, with YouTube reporting over 5 trillion views in the last few months. While YouTube offers a Shorts fund to reward creators, you'd need millions of views to earn anything significant from it. So, I'll show you an alternative way to earn more with fewer views. I'll take you through a few successful examples. Channels like Vlog Squad World have grown rapidly by reposting other people's TikToks. They went from 0 subscribers to over 300,000 in just a year and are getting millions of views monthly, but they're not earning much from YouTube's ad revenue. However, they make hundreds of dollars daily from another method I'll reveal shortly. Another example is Viral Block, which started in early 2021 and went from 0 to over 1 million subscribers. They post viral TikToks every day and make around $500 daily. The key here is that these channels are reposting TikToks or Instagram Reels, videos they didn't even make themselves. They just find trending content, credit the original creators, and re-upload it to YouTube. You don't need to show your face or create your own videos, making it easy to post multiple times a day. You may be wondering, how do they monetize these channels if they're not earning much from ads? The answer is brand deals, sponsorships, and community posts. These channels have grown so big that companies pay them hundreds, even thousands of dollars to promote their products or services through community posts. I personally charge $500 to $1,500 per community post for my own channels, and these big channels can easily do the same. So, how do you create a similar channel? Here's the process. Find viral videos on TikTok or Instagram Reels. Download the video using a TikTok downloader. Credit the original creator in the description. Upload it as a YouTube short. Be consistent. Post 5 to 10 shorts a day. This process takes less than 10 minutes a day, and if you stick with it, your channel will start growing fast. Even if it takes a couple of months to gain traction, the results will come. Now to monetize, add your email to the About section of your channel. As your channel grows, brands will start reaching out for sponsorships and community posts. You can charge anywhere from $500 to $1,500 per post, depending on your audience size. Remember, success in this business requires patience. It takes time to build up momentum, but if you keep posting consistently, your channel will grow exponentially. To summarize, here's the easy-to-follow process. Download viral TikToks or Instagram Reels. Re-upload them to YouTube, crediting the original creator. Post regularly, 5 to 10 shorts daily. Monetize with community posts and brand deals. Be patient and stay consistent. That's it. With minimal effort, you can create a profitable YouTube Shorts channel. If you want more tips on building online businesses, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.